Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. I am Dr. Saudamni Sinha, currently student with Elite Expertise. Elite Expertise is an online training platform for all the overseas pharmacists who wants to practice in Australia. Today we have with us Geetu. Hi Geetu, welcome to Elite Expertise and congratulations on clearing your KAPS exam. How are you feeling?
Thank you, Saudamini, for the great introduction. And I have cleared my KAPS exam recently, and I am feeling excited to take the next steps towards registration.
Please introduce yourself. What have you done? Where are you from?
I have completed my Doctor of Pharmacy in Bangalore, and currently I'm working as a junior clinical pharmacist and a clinical instructor at a reputed hospital.
Why did you choose Elite Expertise?
Why did I choose expertise? Actually, what happened was I stumbled upon a LinkedIn account where they had a cleared KAPS exam. So I started researching on Elite Expertise, and I contacted Rekha. And she was an amazing person. She gave me a lot of motivation. And then I decided I have to choose this place. And I chose this place and attended one session, and I was impressed by the teachers. So I was like, yeah, this is my place. This is where I get my education from.
So how much time did you take to clear your KAPS exam?
Um, actually, I was, since I had this plan since fourth year, I was studying till then. In my fourth year, I was studying. But I was studying extensively, not knowing which is important, which is not important. So when I chose Elite Expertise, they were teaching the important stuff as well as focusing on the core concepts of the things. So that way, my core concepts were well or solid, as well as I could solve the problems in the mocks with the core concepts. So that's how.
So which paper was easy for you, paper 1 or paper 2?
I would say paper one. Paper two was a little difficult for me because there were more calculations and it was consuming a lot of time. What I did was I was flagging all the calculations and I did the calculation at the last. So I would have time to review them if I needed. So like that. Paper one was easy.
So what did you like about Elite Expertise?
Elite expertise, what I liked about so several things actually. So, but the primary one would be the lecturers, especially. Okay, Harika ma'am. I have a little favoritism to her, sir. So, the reason is Harika ma'am teaches in a way that even the children can understand. So, the main concept of teaching is even the littlest one should understand the concept. So, she teaches in that manner where you can understand the topic, grasp the topic, and especially the adrenergic system and the cholinergic system. She makes you understand very well by comparing both the systems. I use the method she teaches to my students. So they understand better the way I teach because I have an inspiration from Harika ma'am. And Arif sir, he goes in depth. He is a wonderful person, and yeah, he teaches very well, and he goes into the mechanics of the topic. I guess I could say like that. So yeah, I would love the primary thing is the teachers and the assistance that the team provides, especially in the skill assessment. Iris provided a lot of help in helping me get the one and same certificate and guiding me through the process of skill assessment. So that is
So what are the teaching strategies that you liked about Elite Expertise?
teaching strategies would be there are many, I would say. Harika ma'am's comparison of the systems and Harika ma'am's explanations and Arif sir's detailed discussion of the mocks as well as ruling out the wrong options, justifying the right answer as well as justifying the why the answer is wrong. So that is also a very good strategies to use in the KAPS exam. So those are the strategies I loved about it. And recalls, discussing the recalls at the end of the lectures.
So what are the top 3 points that you think have really helped you in clearing your KAPS exam?
See, what happened is I'll just tell you a background of my life. I travel roughly 5 hours per day, and I have 8 hours of duty. So scheduling time for my studies was very hard. So I would, if I stretch my time, I would hardly get 4 hours of study per day. Till 12 o'clock, I just have 4 hours of study time. So studying was very hard for me. So I had to squeeze in a lot of strategies to make sure that I completed at least the core concepts. So what I did was, first, lectures and the handouts, they went hand in hand. So whatever the important points were in the lectures, I jotted it down in the handouts. So I don't have to refer multiple books to refresh the points. So I just have to refer my handouts, and I'll also have the concepts from the lectures. So that is the first strategy that I used. The second strategy that I use is time boxing. So I calculate how many hours that I have in a day. For example, if it's a Monday, I would just have 4 hours per day. So in that 4 hours, what are the things that I can complete? Okay, so in 2 hours, if I can complete one lecture, I would complete that. Then in the third and the fourth hour, if I can complete 2, 3 mocks, I will do that. So like that, I managed my time. On Sundays, I would attend the lectures, and then I would, rest of the time, I would focus on completing the things I have not completed the previous week. So that is the second strategy. The third strategy was just making a small unit of accountability people. So Sanam, Feba, and I were the three. We were in a small group. So weekly, we used to set up. These are the targets that we want to reach. And on a Saturday, 8:30 p.m., we had a meeting. We would review how much have we completed and how much is pending. Okay, and if we have any doubt from the concepts that we have learned, we would discuss. Then if we still have the confusion, we would go approach our lecturers. So that was the third strategy that I used.
Wow, you had very good strategies to study. I must say that. Okay,
Yes.
so yeah. So, do you have any suggestions for our future aspirants?
I would. Uh, so if you aspire to clear your caps, choose Elite. It's never the wrong option, because the lecturers know the best. They are the best. So the second thing is that be patient with yourself. Even when you forget your concepts, refresh the concepts. You don't have to be discouraged, because it is a human tendency to forget things. It is a the brain's way of recycling things. So the more you practice and the more you familiarize the concepts, the more the brain retains information. So don't be discouraged when you forget the concepts, especially the adrenergic system and the CNS system. You tend to forget it because it's a heavy concept. The more you revise, the better it retains. The third is, clarity is crucial. So you must know where you're weak at. So I was okay with my calculations, but at the same time, I was weak in my chemistry. So I had to focus more on the organic chemistry part. So knowing where you are weak is very important in the exam. So you can focus more and let the stronger ones be at the last. So weaker ones must be cleared out in the earliest. And the fourth strategy, point would be trust in yourself. Don't lose belief. When you start losing belief, you start losing the confidence, and you will not attempt your exam properly. So belief in yourself is very important to clear the exam.
Okay, thank you so much, Geetu, for your information and the suggestions that you have given to all the aspirants is really aspiring. Thank you so much and all the very best for your future. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Bob.